SEO, that means search engine optimization, is a tricky business, and if you don't get it right, your website won't ever show up on the top pages of search engine results. This means that no one, and literally no one, will be aware that you can bring your website on the first page of Google. In the previous videos, we have seen how SEO works and even walked through the essentials of technical SEO. Now it's a time that we dig deeper and find out more about on-page SEO. Watch till the end of this video to learn what on-page SEO means and some of the most powerful techniques that you can apply to rank higher in search engine results page. Hello guys, my name is Sandeep. I'm a co-founder of External Experts and also a digital marketing consultant. Today I will guide you through the basics of on-page SEO and share some of the very powerful and innovative techniques to get higher ranked. Stay tuned. So what basically is a on-page SEO? It is a technique to optimize your content of your website in a manner that it becomes easier for the users and Google crawlers to find it. So, how can you effectively optimize your website content? Let's find this out. By optimizing website content, I imply that you need to create content that your target audience is looking for. For example, your website niche is digital marketing. So you need to find out what are the searches being carried out for your niche. The searches or the term used for search are called as keywords. Now you will have to incorporate these keywords strategically into your content. So if you analyze keywords properly and have great content that has those keywords, your on-page job is half done. This is also called as keyword analysis, which is the first technique that I was going to discuss. And you have already learned it, isn't it? Now, once you have optimized your content, it is important to look at other websites that are competing with you at the same thing. Observe carefully what they are doing and find out a way to provide a different experience to your target audience. So far, your on-page SEO looks good, but there is one more aspect that you need to look at to make things perfect. Imagine this, you search something on Google and landed on a page or a website that takes forever to load. What would you do? Eventually, you will close that tab and move on to the next website, isn't it? So, what's the takeaway here? Your website must not take a long time to load. In other words, you will have to ensure that your website loads fast, and to do that, you will have to do some technical stuff. Check out the CSS and HTML scripts used in your website design. If these codes are taking a lot of time and space, you will need to rethink your website coding. For this, you will have to take the help of a web developer and get things sorted. That's all I have for you in this video. On-page is a tricky and must be handled with care. This is why External Experts offers you a wide array of services that will help you to rank higher in the search engine results pages. You can check out our services on our website www.externalexperts.com. I have provided the website link at the description box below. Check it out and contact us if you need any help for your website. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have liked it, share it with your friends and give a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss out any updates from External Experts. Until next time, I'm Sandeep signing off. Take good care. Thank you for watching my video. See you. Bye-bye.